Welcome! In this video we will discuss the annotation tools available in PIX4Dfields. In PIX4Dfields, annotations belong to a layer, meaning that if we add annotations to one layer, they will not be applied automatically to the others. You can duplicate annotations from one layer to another. To share annotations outside of the project, you need to export them from each individual layer. There are 4 manual annotation options: point, line, area, and count, as well as a newly added feature, AI Area, which uses your input to automatically identify and annotate an area of interest. In this video, we will use the point annotation. Open the Annotations tool and click Point. Zoom in and left-click to place the point marker on an object of interest. You need to add a name to the annotation, and you can add an image and description as well. The annotation will be added to the selected layer. If you want to import annotations, you can do so with a geometry file. In addition, you can easily import geotagged images here. A geotagged image will be placed as a point annotation according to its tagged GPS location. This is particularly useful for ground truthing. To export the annotations, open the Exports menu and select Annotations. Select the desired layer, the annotations, and the format required, and click Export. The files will be exported to the Exports folder associated with the PIX4Dfields project. We hope this tutorial video demonstrating how to add annotations to a PIX4Dfields project was helpful. See you in the next video.